Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a brief comparison of Procore and Buildertrend. So first up, you can access either of these software by just typing in Procore or Buildertrend on your browser, whether that's on your mobile or your computer. Now we're going to be comparing both of these software based on 6 factors, which are purpose, key features, best for, pricing, ease of use, and integration. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Starting with Procore, Procore is a comprehensive construction management platform designed for general contractors, subcontractors, and large-scale projects. Now, Procore focuses on project management, financials, and field operations. As for Buildertrend, it's a cloud-based construction management tool tailored for home builders, remodelers, and small to mid-sized contractors, emphasizing client communication, scheduling, and budgeting. Now, when it comes to key features, Procore focuses on project management, such as RFIs, submittals, scheduling. You also have these features right here. So you have pre-construction, financials, resources, data. There's also financial tools for budget tracking, invoicing, job costing, document control and reporting, field productivity tracking, and strong third-party integrations. Now, as for Buildertrend, you have project scheduling and task management. So right over here, you also have budgeting and invoicing tools, client and subcontractor communication tools, CRM features for lead tracking, and change order and warranty management. So what exactly is Procore and Buildertrend best for? So Procore, again, is for large-scale commercial construction companies, general contractors, and firms managing complex projects. Now, as for Buildertrend, this is more suited for home builders, remodelers, and small to mid-sized contractors who need a user-friendly project management tool. Now let's try to compare the pricing of both of these software. So Procore has a custom pricing based on company size, projects, and selected modules. So as you can see here, it depends on what type of company you work for. So you can just select which one right here and then proceed. And then of course the annual or the average annual construction volume. And then you're just going to fill in your details so that they can reach out for your custom quote. Now, as for Buildertrend, you can see here they have Essential, Advanced, and Complete. So Essential is at $199 per month. For Advanced, you have $499 per month, and for Complete, you have $799 per month. So you can also see the inclusions on each plan, and you can also compare plans right over here in case you need to. Now, when it comes to ease of use, Procore is robust and feature rich, but has a semi-steep learning curve. Now, as for Buildertrend, of course, this is more intuitive and user-friendly, especially for smaller teams. When it comes to integration, Procore has strong integrations with accounting software such as QuickBooks, Sage, and also design tools and construction management apps. For Buildertrend, it integrates with QuickBooks as well, Xero, and other tools tailored to small to mid-sized business or mid-sized contractors. Now, in summary, it's best to choose Procore if you manage large-scale commercial projects and need enterprise-level construction management with advanced financial tracking. Now, if you are a home builder, remodeler, or a small to mid-sized contractor looking for an easy-to-use project management solution, then Buildertrend is best for you. Now, both platforms help streamline construction management, but Procore is best for complex projects, while Buildertrend is more suited for residential and small-scale construction. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.